Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute little butterfly. So I'm going to start with two eyes. So these eyes are going to be two great big circles. And in those great big circles, I'm going to do two other circles and I'm going to color those in all dark. Okay, I know so far it looks a little silly, but I think it's going to be really cute when it's done. Okay, so let's do a little smile, just a little U shape, and then we can do a little rounded shape for the head. And I'm going to do two little antennas. And let's see, next I'm going to do a little hand. Do butterflies have hands? Maybe not. Another little one. And then we can come on down a bit and do a little foot. And another little foot. And come on up. Okay, so now we need wings for our butterfly. So this wing is going to be kind of flapping to the side here. And come on out this way. And same over on this side. Okay, so now we've got the wings, the shapes of our wings done, but now we got to do all kinds of fun designs in the wings. And whatever we do to one side, we got to do the same to the other side because butterflies have really, really cool symmetry. I think I'm going to do some cute designs, like maybe a heart right here. Now, you can certainly do whatever little shapes and designs you want to do. You don't have to follow exactly what I'm doing, but I think I'm going to do, maybe I'll do some circles. Some circles going along here and coming on up. Kind of like going around the bottom of those hearts. And I'm going to do kind of a wavy thing going on down here. And be sure to do it on this side too. And put another little heart here. And right here. And let's see. Do a line coming down. Right there and right there, and bring it up right here. And so I'll try to do the same over on this side, do the mirror image of that. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I think it's coming out pretty cute. I want to have a few more different kind of shapes here though. And do another squiggly here and here. And a few more circles, why not? and 2 more hearts. All right, so I'm going to start to color it. All right, everyone, we are finished our cute little butterfly. Let me know in the comments how you think it turned out, and don't forget to let me know what you would like to learn how to draw next. So I hope you all have a wonderful day, a very special, great day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. Goodbye!